biggest things at Universal are easy to notice. The roller coasters, the hotels, the incredible themed lands. But today, I don't want to talk about the big things everyone is talking about. I want to talk about the tiny little details. The things most people walk past without ever noticing. Because for someone like me, sometimes it's those small things that makes the biggest difference. So, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry, I am still suffering from a severe cold. At least I don't feel like crap anymore. Only my voice is a little bit done, but the rest is getting in the right direction. And the good news, my media pass for the IAAPA has been approved, so I am really looking forward to go to the theme park to a convention in Orlando in November and see everything that is new accessibility-wise in the theme parks over the next couple of years. But now, in today's video, I want to talk about something that rarely gets any attention. It's not the attractions, not the technology, not the hotels, but the thoughtful decisions that quietly make a day in the parks less stressful. Sometimes accessibility isn't one big feature. Sometimes it's dozens of tiny decisions working together. Most guests barely notice bench. They walk straight past them. I don't. Sometimes I can remember every bench that is located on Universal property if you ask me to. Yeah, I know this is a skill set, but yeah, it can make the difference of a successful park day or not. And benches means I can stay another 3 hours in the park. Sometimes it also means I don't have to return to the hotel room. And sometimes it simply means I can breathe for 5 minutes and decompress. It's amazing how something so ordinary can completely change someone's day. Now let's talk about wide walkways that can create freedom. I'm so sorry. Have you ever noticed how spaces many pathways feel? It's easy to take it for granted. But when you are moving slowly, or you are using mobility aids, or you are simply feeling overwhelmed, space becomes incredibly valuable to you. You don't constantly feel like you are in someone's way. Just go to the right-hand side and everyone can pass you. That's something many people never even think about, but for me, it's a huge deal. Now let's talk about that shade isn't just for comfort. Florida heat can affect everyone. But for many people with disabilities, heat can become a genuine medical problem. And that is why trees, covered queues, and indoor attractions, and even shaded seating areas matter so much to guests like us. They are not just comfortable. They are part of staying safe in the theme parks. Another thing is that water is everywhere. And one thing is that I appreciated every trip. It is how easy it is to stay hydrated. You have water refill stations everywhere. Restaurants happy provide you water. Places to stop and drink. Again, I know it's Florida law, but I think it's just nice to go to those vending machines and get some water. And most guests barely even noticed. But small things like this can quietly remove barriers. And even in the hot Florida sun, ice cold water can really have an effect on you and cool you down before you reach your waking point. Now let's talk about that cast members can notice something and they are really highly trained. And this is something I really appreciate about Universal that the cast members are so highly trained and not just over providing help. They let you figure out and they are just there. Hey, I am here if you need me. They are not forcing you to help you. They are just there. And I think this is a huge difference. And this had always stayed with me. It's how often those cast members noticed when someone needs help. Not in an embarrassing way, not dramatically, simply just by paying attention. And sometimes feeling seen is just as important as receiving help. Now let's talk about that clear signs can reduce anxiety for some of you guys. Imagine feeling already completely exhausted, then having to search endlessly for your next attraction. Good signage isn't exciting, but it can reduce this kind of stress. Every sign that helps someone avoid unnecessary walking can make a difference, especially for me at the end of the day, where every stand really is counting. Now let's talk about quiet corners. One of my favorite things about Universal is that there are places where the world suddenly becomes quieter. I made a separate video about where you can find those places, just if you need to have a little bit of more space around you or just to calm down. They are calmer and those moments can help recharge. And they can help many guests, even those who don't realize they need them. Because most people don't even realize that they are overstimulated. And I think it's always interesting just to watch the person's behavior at Super Nintendo World. Everyone is so clearly overstimulated, but most of them just don't realize. And they are bumping into each other because they just can't figure out how to get around with all of their emotions in one place. Now let's talk that Universal is providing accessibility without attention. This is perhaps the greatest compliment I can give Universal. Many accessibility features don't make you feel different. They simply let you enjoy your vacation. That exactly is how good accessibility should work. It removes the barriers quietly, without making you feel like the center of attention. And this is something I think a lot of us can relate to. I don't like attention in this kind of setup. I just want to have a normal life, a normal theme park day, and don't need everyone looking at me. And I think Universal is doing a great job in removing those barriers without getting the attention of the people that needs them. I think this is perfect. And again, when people ask me why I enjoy returning to Universal, it is rarely about one attraction. I am obsessed with Velocicoaster, Stardust Racer, and all of them. I am a huge roller coaster girl. And this is the reason why I am so looking forward to the convention, to the expo in November. But you have so many hundreds of tiny details at Universal, small decision, thoughtful designs, kind cast members, comfortable places to rest. And those are the simple things. Things many people never even noticed. But for someone like me, they can mean everything and make the difference between a vacation I just want to go home or a vacation I can actually enjoy. So I hope this video also is speaking to you guys, because I know a lot of you have the same problems and the same situations going on, and you don't feel always sure when you're walking into those theme parks, and I can guarantee you, you are not alone. But I, in my experience, can tell you, at least at Universal, you will be fine. Cast members are well trained, and all those small details I just talked about are in place just to help you out. I hope you guys will have a wonderful day. I hope my voice will be better by tomorrow. I will see you in my next video tomorrow. Have a wonderful day and goodbye.